coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic, here to share the best hot dog recipes. Wait until you try them before I launch into our 4 incredible hot dog recipes. How about we invite you to visit our dedicated website, weekendatthecottage.com. When you're there, please subscribe to it. I bet you're probably watching this video right now on our YouTube channel. If you are, subscribe to it as well. Drop us a few comments, give us a thumbs up, and click the bell button for notifications. Finally, look for us on your favorite social media platforms. We're all over the place on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Before I share our 4 really incredible hot dog recipes, a few standard things to keep in mind. First of all, it's all about the hot dogs, and you should feel free using all beef, chicken, vegetable hot dogs. You can even swap them out for sausages. They all work really well with our treatments. Before you place your hot dogs on the grill, we're going to suggest you lay them on your work surface, paring knife, 45-degree angle. We're just going to cut down into those hot dogs along the length. This will help those hot dogs plump up and get all fancy when you grill them on a preheated 500-degree grill. Just turn them every once in a while until they're perfectly done. Second consideration is about the buns you use. Again, feel free to use your favorite, whether white, whole wheat, gluten-free, all will work in these applications. Our last suggestion is something we discovered shooting this story, where we're taking our finished hot dogs, placing them into a casserole dish, and then transferring them to a preheated 250-degree oven. We're gonna let those hot dogs bake for about 10 to 15 minutes. This melts all of the cheese and also toasts up the buns. We think you're gonna find this the new way to present your favorite hot dog recipes. Favorite hot dog recipes? We've got 4 for you to enjoy. Let's start with number 1, our Tex Mex. To assemble our delicious Tex Mex hot dog, we're going to begin by opening our buns on our work surface, and then we're adding a generous helping of corn salsa. We're going to add the prepared hot dog, and then we're adding a helping of Monterey Jack cheese. Last thing before they head to the oven, rounds of grilled sliced jalapeno peppers. This gives our Tex Mex hot dogs a wonderful bit of heat. Last thing for these hot dogs, when they come out of the oven, we're gonna give them a squeeze of a lime-cilantro mayonnaise, kind of a cool finish to this very hot hot dog. Ready for hot dog number 2? Let's talk about our county fair. The idea for this hot dog is to add a bunch of ingredients you might find with little ribbons pinned to them at your local county fair. Garlic pickles sliced, we place those on the bun to begin. Next we add our prepared hot dog. How about an award-winning beef chili? It is warmed, and as we scoop it up, steam is rising. Next we're adding shredded sharp Canadian cheddar. This hot dog is ready to be baked. After it's come out of the oven, cheese is nice and gooey, bun is toasted. We're doing a stripe of relish, a zigzag of ketchup in one direction, a zigzag of mustard in the other. How fabulous. Let's talk about hot dog creation number 3, the pizza dog. Ever wonder what happens when pizza meets hot dog? We're taking our buns, opening them up, and we're adding a rich tomato pizza sauce across the surface. Nestle your hot dog into that pizza sauce. Then we're adding sautéed onion, mushroom, and peppers on one side. On the other, we're doing sliced green olives. Only 1 cheese for this hot dog. We have a grated mozzarella cheese. This is ready to go into the oven. When it comes out, a really simple garnish of chopped flat leaf parsley. Incredibile. Ready for number 4? We're talking about a bacon mac and cheese, coming right up. This hot dog is gunning for best in show. We're taking our hot dog bun, opening it up. We're gonna add a rasher of bacon on one side, same thing on the other. Place your hot dog in place, and then we're adding a favorite macaroni and cheese recipe, a little bit of macaroni and cheese across the top. We're gonna pump up the flavor with a sprinkling of blue cheese, and then this hot dog goes into the oven. When it comes out, the cheese is all melty. The topper for our final hot dog, how about a run of creamy coleslaw? Altogether, it is decadently delicious. Actually, all four are. You just gotta try them to find out. Speaking from experience, good dog. Enjoy.